In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for removing and reinstalling a motor mount. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for reattaching our engine mount to the engine bracket. What we're going to do first is drop our nut on there and screw it down as far as we can by hand. Once we have that one down, we're going to go ahead and screw down the other side. And like I said, we're going to screw it down as far as we can by hand. Once you have it run down as far as you can, I'll drop my socket on there and torque this nut down. There is no torquing procedure for engine mounts. And you're going to want to tighten them down fairly tight. We're going to move on to the next one. And there we go. I'm now going to take and reinstall my grounding strap over the engine bracket stud. We'll slide that into position and screw down the retaining nut. All right, and there you go. That is the proper procedure for reattaching your motor mount to the motor bracket.